Hi, I am Kalam Azad, founder of Win and Wings. Today I will give you some demonstration about MyPA, which is very much a similar app we proposed for Plus Berhad, Malaysia. So please note it, this is not the exact features that will be developed for Plus Berhad, but the technical part is actually we call it 95% or 95% say. So I am giving you a I'm giving a short demonstration about what MyPA vehicle management is. So open MyPA. In MyPA actually we can manage our vehicles. Actually we can do lots of things, and one is vehicle management, which is very much familiar with our proposed app for Plus Berhad. Okay, we create a vehicle or register a new vehicle. We call it ABC123 and ABC123. Okay, it's we can register a type. It can be tractor, bulldozer, lorry. Okay, think about it as a van. Okay, we can put current mileage. It's okay, current mileage. Okay, and the origin of this vehicle. It can be owner address, or if it is a company vehicle, company garage information can be there. Where most of the time the car is parked or located. Okay, this is done. Okay, we give a good picture for reference. It is very nice to give a good picture of this vehicle. So what we'll actually do, we will demonstrate that actually we will demonstrate the real-time the billing information and document information through one device to another device. So we have created a vehicle which name ABC123. Actually this is the plate number, and I think we're thinking that this is the owner of this vehicle, and we are authorizing this device to monitor or do the expenditure for this vehicle. It can be happen. Think that this ABC123 is a company vehicle. Company have lots of vehicle, and the vehicle are vehicle are operated by different driver or person, and they do all the expenditure, fuel, their maintenance. So from the driver or the operator will key in all the expenditure through their device, and all the information will be go to the owners or company device. They can see all the information real time and live. So okay, I am tagging this ABC123 with this device. How can we do that? We can go to the user section and we go to the plus. We are using a user, tagging a user. So from this device, this is the profile picture. When we tap the profile picture, the QR code will be there. So whenever we open the scanner, it is scan, and we can also define the role. Also we tell him as a manager. Okay, manager. Okay, user link or user add for this vehicle has been done successfully. So ABC have 2 users. So whatever they two are doing, or the expenditure of this vehicle, they can see in real time. So if we go there, if we go this device, the ABC, we can see okay, the ABC 123 is already here. There is no expenditure at all, and so we do some expenditure or from this device. For example, we go there, traffic summon. Okay, toll violation. Good, toll violation. Okay, toll, for example, think about 150 ringgit. Now we can increase the mileage. It's every expenditure. So we just key in the value. Okay, done. As a proof of this toll violation, okay, that notice that this value is already available and rich in this device. The management device already notified that there is a toll violation. The amount is 150, and the date and time and who by whom. This is the picture. So as a proof of this violation, we can also attach some picture. For example, I attached a photo. For example, this photo, I just download some toll violation from Google. So this photo I just upload this photo, and notice that this photo will be came real time. For this photo is already in there. We can if we tap, we can see this photo is already there. So the expenditure 150 ringgit and the proof of violation is already there. So if we do another transaction or another violation, for example, other expenditure, for example, traffic summon, traffic violation. Okay, traffic 250. We make it some higher value right now. Okay, we just enter key in. Okay, just come to the real. So value is there, the value already there. So we can see the total of 400, and if we can go there, this is 400. So actually, what happened actually in plus barhead, the entry will be happen from another. It will be not from a device. It can be if any traffic police is doing manually, they can use their tab or mobile, or if it's automated, for example, any IoT device for any traffic violation, so that IoT device will do the entry in in automatically. They will read the plate number and they will charge or the penalty for the vehicle. So, or it can be from plus barhead office, the user can do from web interface. So there's plenty of option from IoT, can from traffic police can do using their mobile phone or tab. They can directly entry the penalty amount, or from office web interface they can also do the entry. So this is actually the critical part, and this is actually done, and there will be some tuning for plus barhead. There will be not exactly like this, but the technical part is actually the same. So hope it will give you some good understanding about how the MyPlus, the proposed MyPlus, we called it MyPlus, will look like, and how the functionality and the bill will show. This is the this will happen if they tap. They will show all the expenditure, and they can pay the amount. They can see the total amount. They can, if they pay 200, they can show the pending amount will be 200. So they can do partially, they can, or fully. It's up to plus barhead's rules and regulation and terms and condition. So and another feature, actually we already quoted in our proposed document, that a user can register multiple vehicles. It's practical because in Malaysia we have noticed they have multiple family or not company, family have 2 or 3 vehicles. They can see all the vehicles like this. For example, we have ABC 123, MAP 5432, DDK 156. They can individual record, everything will be stored. Whenever tap on this car, they will see their records, their summon history or due amount. So this will be the proposed core feature of MyPlus. Thank you very much for your passion, and thank you.